I have the honor of not only serving as your superintendent, I have the honor of seeing you all together for the first time in over 2 weeks for our retreat. And so, given that this is the first time that we've been together since our retreat, I figured that let's just get it out of the way. I present to you the world premiere of your music video, Intentional.
Great new leadership, great new vision, great new journey. Transformation.
We ain't coming, we here.
Drop the beat.
My mic sounds nice, check 1. My mic sounds nice, check 2. FFSD coming to you live. This is DJ So Petty in the house. Only playing the platinum hits.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
Tell them what the hook gonna be.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
New race. It's a new me. FFSD. FFSD.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
All the leaders, the district facilitate the operation and instructional.
You just gotta leave. Leaders lead, that's what we do. We educate children how to. We teach them how to read, write new arithmetic, and that's just part of our skill. Wait, you just gotta leave.
New race. It's a new me. FFSD.
It's a new year, the leaders are here. We're ready to empower, we have no fear. We trust, we love, we hug, we pray. The students are the forefront of our day. We got this, we got this, we got this.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
New race. It's a new me. FFSD. FFSD.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
Crying on the tears, check on the fears. I was made for this. You have to be. I'm made for this. I'm made for this. I'm made for this. You made for this. You made for this. We made for this.
We're learning. We're reflecting. We're growing and going. New race. It's a new me. FFSD. FFSD. FFSD.
Wait, you just gotta leave.
Right here, baby. Is that camera on?
Yep.
No. We in this, we winning it, and we're not stopping.
If we came together for 2 days, and if we had fun, but we did not get closer as a team, if it wasn't steeped in the work, if we didn't grow our leadership capacity, it would have been a big waste of time. And so with that, my ask is that intentionality. We are incredibly intentional for our students, our staff, our school community. And so let's go out and make it a fantastic 26-27 school year.